Good morning. My name is Jack. I'm our test room technician here at Bonnot Company. I have Aaron, my assistant, today. We're going to show you how to disassemble this part of the machine to get your packers out. Also, make sure your power is off before you work on the machine or put it back together. Try to get the machine as clean as possible with all the material out. You can clean it by using scrapers, screwdrivers, whatever cleaner you can use to get your material out. The more you get out, the better off you are. The tools you'll need are a dead blow hammer, a 3/16" hex wrench, a 1/4" hex wrench, a 9/16" wrench, and a 3/8" hex wrench. If you have a short one, fine. If not, the long one will do. We have a pry bar, and we also have the hammer that goes into the end of the packer shafts if you need it. This is a conveyor table that we use here. It goes up and down. This is some 2x4s to help pull the barrel away because the barrel is somewhat heavy. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the 8 bolts that hold the barrel on. Now we'll go to the gearbox. There's 4 bolts that hold the cover on. Remove them. Here we have the 2 gears that have to come off of the packer shaft to get everything apart. You have 2 collars that hold your gears on. Then we take a pry bar to remove the gears. Remove your keys. Then we're going to move to the front of the extruder again. And remove the caps that hold the packer shafts in. Now you just push your packer shaft out. You may have to hit them with a hammer. If you can't get your packer shafts out by just tapping them on the end in the gearbox, we've made this is what we call a hammer. And we will put this on a 1/2 by 13" piece of rod with a nut and some washers behind it. Pull on it. And they should come right out like that. Your packer will fall to the bottom when you get the shaft out. And there it is.